Good morning, everybody. What am I doing up so early? Today is an exciting day. My 1.5-year-old, he'll be 2 in 2 weeks, is starting preschool today. So I'm up making him his lunch to take to school, and I have mac and cheese over there I'm going to make as well. And just getting his stuff ready. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for him. Every time we talk about school, he's like, oh. I'm trying to keep my voice down because everybody else is asleep. It is super early. Let me see what time it is. That's what time it is. 6:02. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today, and yeah, I'm going to show you how I'm getting his stuff ready for school and the whole process. It was a decision we decided to take because, you know, with all this pandemic happening, we're contemplating whether we should send him or not, and we came to the decision that it is safe, and right now we need for him to develop on his social skills and, you know, interacting with other kids. So that really was why we ultimately decided to do that. So yeah, he's super smart though. He knows his ABCs 1 to 20 now. And he's also counting all the way up to 30, but he doesn't really get that so great yet. But we wanted him to start, and so we decided. So yeah, enough of me rambling. And let me go make his lunch. So yeah. You wake up. Yeah, today it's time for school today. Look at the wall, guys. That's what he did. We're going to school today. Are you excited?
No.
You're not excited?
I got the Elmo.
You can't take Elmo. I thought you were excited. You were talking about it all night last night and yesterday too.
But
I thought you were excited. Why aren't you excited?
I got the Elmo.
No, you can't take Elmo. Elmo has to stay home. When you come back from school, you get Elmo.
I got the car.
All right, let mommy fix your lunch, okay? You want to go up on the chair and sit? Yeah. Yeah, sit right there. Yeah? Okay, guys, he woke up before I wanted him to wake up. So anyway, I'm gonna continue fixing his lunch. I just added some lime juice to the bananas so it doesn't get black, you know, when it adds the black. Yeah.
Mama,
Mm.
it's a cat.
Yeah. You're gonna go to school today and you're gonna meet lots of new friends. Yeah, you're smiling now. You're gonna meet lots of new friends. Yay! We gotta hurry though because the time is going. Okay guys, his lunchbox is all ready. I gave him 2 juice, his water, one of his little fruit pouch food. He has raisins in that. He has fruits, apples and tangerines, and then his mac and cheese. Down, take your time. Yay!
Mommy, bye. Bye bye. Once you give her email address, you will get photos of him while he's doing his activities and stuff. So you can just give your email address to the principal.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yes.
Oh. So we get lots of pictures with him. Don't worry.
Okay. Bye, baby.
Bye, baby. Gio is excited.
Okay guys, I am back home now and our little boy is at school and he didn't cry at all. As you saw in the previous clip, he did not cry. He was super happy. He ran out of my hand. He was super duper duper happy. So that makes me feel great. Right now I'm gonna make a smoothie, have my breakfast, and just check through some emails, and maybe I'll go ahead and edit this video along with some others that I have. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If that button subscribe is red, please go ahead and turn it gray, and hit that notification bell as well. Leave a comment down below your favorite part of the video, and yeah, I'll definitely try to be a little bit more consistent with my vlogs. So much been going on, so I have not had the time to get that in for you guys, but I'm certainly gonna try doing that a little bit more now. So yeah, with that said, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.